Hello and welcome back, friends, to SMJ-Tech channel. And today we'll be diving into Microsoft Excel's small little interesting feature. Now we all have used sorting option in Microsoft Excel. However, there's another kind of sort that serves an additional purpose. So let's learn about that kind of sort. So we already know of about normal sorting, which provides us alphabetical ascending and descending order feature. However, there's a third kind of sort over here that we see is the custom sort. So let's learn a few things about it. So okay, it wants me to select something. There you go. Okay, before I get into the requirements of how I'm going to sort my data, let's learn a few things about what the custom sort feature has to offer. So let me just drag it down right here. Okay, so first things first, it provides an option for add level. So by default you have a level over here which shows you the column names. These are the columns. I'm going to tell you why it's showing the headers by default. Okay, and it provides you a single level of sorting. If you want to add multiple levels, you just keep on clicking on this button and keeps adding those levels, and you can define multiple kind of sorts as per your need. The second button is there to allow you to delete a level if you've pressed this add level one times too many. So it helps you in removing a level that you feel you won't need for sorting. The third one is before I jump on to the third one, let me help in selecting a few things so that you can see what the third one does. So for example, I want to copy or apply the same level of sorting that I've applied with the first one. I'll just simply press this and it will copy exactly the same things that I've selected earlier. So that actually copies the level that you're at. You can also move up your sorting options. You see, I want to sort my surname first instead of the first name, so you can move that around as well. You can move it down to second level or last level as you need. Third button, the options feature, is basically there to allow you to make the selections or sorting based on case sensitive data, and you can also define the orientation of sorting. The default orientation is from top to bottom, so your each row will be considered once and it will jump on to the next one. The third one, the second option, is from left to right. Basically it would be a column based route sorting. So it will sort the first column, then move on to the second, then third, then fourth. So that's left to right option. So by default we use the top to bottom option. And there's a checkbox over here which shows that my data has headers. So that's why it by default selects leaves out the first row and selects all the remaining part of the data automatically. If I haven't selected it, so it will consider the first row as part of the data as well. So coming back to my requirement, now I want to sort. Let me just remove all options. Okay, first I add the first level of sorting. I want my data to be sorted by company name. This is an invitation list that I want to sort out, and there are a couple of options available here. I can sort based on cell values, whatever is there in the cell. If my cell has colors, I can also do sorting based on a few colors, on define the order how they want the how I want it to be displayed, whether it be on top, whether it be on bottom. You can sort based on font color. Automatic is by default the black color that we select for font. So You can define any number of colors over here and define their sorting features, or you can provide sorting based on conditional formatting icons that are there in Excel. If you have some icons in your data, you can also sort it based on those. So we'll keep it simple. I want to sort the company names in alphabetical order, ascending A to Z. Then I need to add one more level where I want the first names to be sorted as well in ascending alphabetical order within those companies. Then third, I want to add that their contact numbers should be sorted based on the cell values with largest to smallest. And as soon as I press OK, it will change the sorting of data that I have displayed right above it. There you go. So you can see what it has done. It has sorted the company names in ascending alphabetical order. And within those companies, let's say this is the first company, it has then sorted these names based on first name. That was the criteria I gave it. So it has sorted these in ascending order as well. And thirdly, it has sorted these contact numbers from largest to smallest. Same is it has followed in the next organization and the ones after that. So though that's something that we learned today. That's custom sort, how to use it, how you can utilize it based on your criteria. You can use colors to sort your data. I mean, you have used the colors in your data and you want to sort it based on that, so you can even do that. So there are a lot of rich features over there that you can use. I hope this small video will help you in sorting your data out. And if you like this video, do let us know by liking it. And until our next video, please take care of yourselves and bye bye.